Okay. Here's what we are going to do. We count to 3. Push me on 2.
1.
Baby penguins, cute but ruthless. Okay, but who will love Ramon?
Still at it, y'all.
Hey! Please be quiet. Ramon!
The experience making the first Happy Feet was so enjoyable. So the opportunity to come back and work with George again and be reunited with the team was really exciting.
We're back, and we're down under in a small room with George.
Here, Deli, sing the hits. 1, 2.
One of the great things we do, which I think really helps us a lot, is we put all the actors in the same recording booth so they can really engage.
Say it with me. Feel it.
It's a bit more difficult technically, but it gives you wonderful performances.
Sven, you're going to be my best friend and my best man, all rolled into one. Hey, Mumble.
Come on, son, let's shake this world!
Elijah Wood is playing Mumble.
Eric, it wasn't that bad. The Mumble Gloria romance has continued, and it's beautiful.
When George first asked me to play the voice of Gloria, I thought he was joking. You know, Eric, when your daddy's in a deep hole, he's got to learn to stop digging.
Yeah.
It's fun to watch everybody act like idiots and laugh at themselves.
Hank Azaria, he is fantastic. And Hank's character is so colorful and unique. Sven was one of my favorite characters just reading it on the page.
I thought it was kind of a no-brainer. If you have a bird named Sven, he's probably Scandinavian. But George didn't want to leave it at that. He's like, you know, let's not say necessarily that he's Scandinavian.
Sven thing. All rights reserved, copyright me.
You know, up close, you're still an idiot.
We've got Robin Williams, of course, who's once again Ramon.
Everybody came.
Right, except for that guy who stayed behind because he had the sniffles. Oh, no, he's here.
And you got Lovelace, kind of a foghorn, leghorn, Barry White thing. Looks like a tiny penguin roster. Lovelace coming back, change out, man.
Brothers and sisters, penguins all.
I don't know why I have to talk like this, but it helps.
You, me, fat chance.
I have a chance, and it's fat.
I'm so happy to be working with Sofia Vergara.
Ramon, you're beautiful.
Only on the outside.
All you're hearing is her voice, and normally there's a little bit of a barrier, but then occasionally you peek around, she's here. Imagine you're in love with this penguin. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go, let's do this. Mind if we get close? No, you don't have to be that close. Too close.
I walked in on the first day, and Brad Pitt and Matt Damon were sitting in there,
I'm leaving. I want to be free, Bill.
and they're playing Krill.
Goodbye, Krill world.
We've got to get on the ride.
Krill have a lot of legs, and we're constantly moving, so we had to do a lot of that.
And in the middle of it, Brad Pitt turns to me and goes, "This is the no-shame zone."
Brad really went for it. That was contagious.
Wake me up before you go.
You gotta go loud or go home.
'Cause we are the champions of the world.
We have Common playing Seymour.
I'm coming! George is a nice guy, so you know he probably didn't want to have to punch me, but he did because we needed that sound and that energy to make it as authentic as possible.
What's that walkie down? What's that walkie down?
Me and Lil Peanut just bringing that hip-hop spirit and good energy.
You know, I had a really good time doing the movie because while I was using my imagination, it was like I was really a penguin out there. You be apologizing, or I'm gonna tell you a new nostril.
There are plenty of reasons to dance.
What's mine, Pa?
The only way to find out is to try it. It was such a blast.
Happy feet.
Happy feet too.
No.
Brings out my happy.